right now I'm going to show you how to use Folex carpet cleaner. I've got some spots here on the carpet. This is ketchup. So the first thing that I always do is I'm going to blot the spot, the spill, the stain, whatever I'm working on. If it's still wet, I want to dab it with a towel here to pick up as much as I can that's still wet with the towel. So we've got a little bit here. Then with another clean towel and my Folex, I'm just going to go ahead and spray that. So you've got two different options. You've got a spray, which is just as a big spray pattern, and then you've got a stream for a more narrow spray. So it's up to you on which one you want to use for your desired cleaning, but I like the spray on this one just because it is a larger spot. So I'm gonna spray a healthy amount on here and let it start working. Now, if this was an older spot or spill, what you can do is take a brush and agitate it to get that cleaning solution really into the carpet. And for that, I can actually use one of my carpet cleaning heads here. So this has a brush on it. I'm just going to lightly agitate it here, make sure it gets into the spot that I'm working there. And now I'm going to use a towel here, a clean towel now. So a fresh towel here. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing here. I'm going to blot it and scrub it a little bit. And just continue as needed until you are satisfied with the spot. I've got a little bit more over here that I'll work on, but that's it. Continue as needed. And this is a no rinse, so you do not have to rinse this afterwards. You can spray it on, blot it out, scrub it out, and you are good to go. You do not have to go back over it with water or anything else, so this is rinse free.